Namaste children. How are you all? Are you happy? Are you fine? Okay. Today I am here to take our English class. Okay, all of you are ready. Then all of you listen my class very carefully. Okay, for a few minutes we will listen, we will learn and we will speak and we have some fun. Okay, ready? Now, let's start our today's class. Before that, shall I ask some questions? My first question. Are you lucky? Yes, I know you all are lucky that you have very loving and caring parents. And your parents are also lucky because they have very beautiful, lovely, cute kid like you. Isn't it? Next question. If I asking you what you want to become, what will be your answer? Some of you say, I want to become a doctor and I want to become an engineer. I want to become teacher. So and so. If I will ask you what type of creature do you want to become, then what's your answer? Yes, some of you say, I want to become a beautiful peacock, and others say, I want to become green parrot, and tiger, lion, etc. We are going to discuss a beautiful small poem. Do you like poem? Okay, the title of our poem is I Am Lucky. All of you take your English textbook page number 20. I am lucky. What's the meaning of lucky? Yes, lucky means blessed. Lucky എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? ഭാഗ്യവാൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഭാഗ്യവതി. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. Okay. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. Children, what's the most beautiful thing of a butterfly? Okay, what's the most beautiful thing of a butterfly? Look at here. There is a butterfly. What's the most important thing of a butterfly? Yes, you are right. The wings of the butterfly is most beautiful and it was also colorful. All of you like butterflies? Yes, the wings of the butterflies is most beautiful and very colorful. The girl in this poem thinks if she was a butterfly, she would be happy and thankful to God for her beautiful wings. If I were a myna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. The girl in the poem thinks if she was a myna in the tree. Do you know what's a myna? All of you know. Myna is a bird. Look at here. Here is a tree and there in the tree there are two mynas. The girl in the poem thinks if she was a myna in the tree, she would be happy and thankful to God that she can sing well. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. Look at here. There are so many fishes are moving here. Okay. The girl in this poem thinks if she was a fish in the sea, she would be thankful to God that she can wriggle and giggle in the sea with happy. So I just think I am lucky to be me. not you, but me. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you, but me. Okay, look at here. You can see a girl. Okay, the girl is the narrator of this poem. The girl tells, I am happy. Sorry, I am lucky because I am me, not you, but me. I am lucky because I am me. If I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. Somebody is coming. Look at here. Who is that? Yes, an elephant. What's the trunk of an elephant? Trunk means tumbikai. The girl in this poem thinks if she was an elephant, she would be happy and thankful to God that she could raise her trunk. If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. Okay, look at here. A kangaroo is hopping. The kangaroo is hopping. Okay, what do you mean by hopping? Hop means jump. Okay, here the girl in this poem thinks if she was a kangaroo, she would be hop and touch the moon. She can jump very high and touch the moon. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. Okay, you can see an octopus here with its 8 arms. Okay, the girl in the poem thinks if she was an octopus, she would be happy and thankful to God for her 8 arms. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you, but me. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me? Or just you? Just you? The end of the poem, the girl asking some questions to you. What are the questions? What do you want to be? Do you want to be like me or just you? Okay, here in the last part of the poem, the girl asking you some question. Okay, the questions are നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആരാകാനാണ് ആഗ്രഹം, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നിങ്ങളായാൽ മതിയോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഞാനാകാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആഗ്രഹമുണ്ടോ എന്ന് കുട്ടി ചോദിക്കുകയാണ്. I hope all of you understand the poem well. If there is any doubt, please call me.